At Martin Supply, we focus on one thing: helping companies operate better. A simple concept that yields powerful results. We are a family-owned and professionally managed industrial distributor, and we offer global reach with personalized care. Our promise to our customers is centered around three key principles: cost elimination, increased productivity, and asset management. We provide custom-tailored solutions that achieve these goals. Martin Industrial Supply provides you with world-class products, technical support, and specialized services. We are experts at identifying your needs for maintenance, repair, operational, and production items. These core elements drive unnecessary costs out of your business. Martin Plant Services utilizes state-of-the-art systems and technology to help your supply chain run more efficiently. Our on-site indirect materials management team optimizes storeroom performance while decreasing your total cost. Martin Safety is ready with the right solution and product expertise to help you with compliance with OSHA laws and standard changes. Our experts will maximize the potential for a hazard-free work environment, and our OSHA-certified trainers are ready to help you and your employees in upholding all regulations and maintaining a safe workplace. Martin Fastening Solutions takes the guesswork out of managing your Class C components and per-print specials. Our global sourcing and streamlined supply chain management systems make it easy to support your business needs. Each service is designed to strategically partner with you, both functionally and financially. Let us show you how today.